Okay, so I had to change and record that in the other day because, well, so today I've got the shirt from Zara. This is leather shirt, very nice. The waistcoat in the green color from H&M. So my old outfit, also I will send over here. Also the shorts from Zara, so the old outfit is quite funny maybe, but I think about this color because I've got the new bag from Jack & Moose, and I think this is cool outfit if I will just wear this bag with especially this. So I really like this color, it's really cool, and now we will check the boots, how they fit, and I hope they will fit me nicely, because at shop I had to decide quickly because we didn't have a lot of time. So finally we can open it, and the box is of course long because they are boots, so if the lady carry a long box with the in her bags, it means that she bought boots. So nice, just gray box, a little bit damaged, but not me. Then we've got the if something happens, the warranty card. And we've got nice and long boots. So, okay. After white boots that are super high, I thought that, okay, I've got so many high heel boots, but sometimes I've got days that I'm tired of heels and I need a little break. So it's usually like to walk to my work, I'm going with the high heels on the next day with the flats, and then I'm mixing this. So I don't have so many flat boots. I had in the from Zara in the past boots, but well, for leather, and I knew it that they will be you know not for long. Also the Rybko boots, they are nice fit with the little platform, but they make me a pain in the right leg, so I had to send them back. Then I've got dune boots, but they are really very wide and I have to wait for the fitting. So I've been looking for boots that I will buy them and I don't have to make them fit. I will just wear them and this is it. So nice and super long Oveni boots with the little heel. So not really flat, but okay. They are of course real leather, nice toe. Nice sole, so of course it's plastic because sometimes we've got the funny thing is that the Wojas have really like the Armani logo. Well, no questions. So yeah, okay, so I will try them on and we will see how they fit. I think they are nice. I tried them on like I said in the shop so far, and the leather is quite soft. There is just simple lining in the inside. Little zip from inside to the boot. They're well made. We will see. I like when the boots have something like that, because if they are just straight over here, then you know they are so good. They looking very bad after a few times we cooking them. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I've got the boots and I think they are really nice. They are over knee, they are a little bit, you know, a little bit loose over there, but when I will put any leather leggings or jeans or leather pants, they will be really, really good. I am happy that the nice fit is like over there, but that helps me move the legs so they don't have to be very fit. But I will think about this. Anyway, they are really nice and I'm very happy. Nice flat boots with any outfits that I will make in the future. So yeah, I hope you will see me in these boots quite often. But of course I love the high heels much more than the flats. Flats are like a little rest from the heels, so this is something that I really need in my wardrobe. So I think that this outfit is really cool with the leather jacket or leather coat. I can create nice outfit with those boots too. Why not? Most important thing that it is the over knee, so it's okay. Maybe I will show you the dune boots that I've got also last time, but I think that I didn't show you them yet. So I'm sorry, the dune boots gone already for fitting, so we will check the boots when they come back from the fitting. It's gonna be, I think, next month, because it took a time. So many ladies in Poland have, you know, skinny legs and they wanna make the boots really nice and fit, because these ladies have really lots of work and the waiting time is about a month. So okay, I wanna create this my outfit with my long coat. I call this coat Matrix because it's like from Matrix. So yeah, but it's crazy. It's cool with the back. I think outfit will be nice. So yeah, I'm very happy. I can wear also the biker jacket, but because I've got the biker jacket, it's really nice and fit, and I've got the leather shirt under. I will show you this outfit maybe without the knit vest. So it's like a reason when you sometimes get very fit jacket, you cannot wear any more leather things because it's very hard to put it. So yeah, I know that lots of you will say that okay, now the outfit makes sense and it's really good, but I don't wanna sometimes create the only black outfits because it's I want sometimes colors. So this is the reason why I'm wearing sometimes the jumpers in the really crazy colors. The black leather and maybe other color of the leather is a good base like now, but in my opinion, if you add some pinks, some greens to your outfit, it's like make you bright and fresh. This is just my opinion. So okay. This is my outfit of today, and yeah, let me know what do you think about my boots now. I think that they are really cool. I will make a view from the top to see how they look from my view. So at this moment, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my shopping haul that I split for 2 days. I'm sorry, but I had to. The Bottega Veneta skirt, it's so amazing, and the Calzedonia is the best shop, I think, with the ties. I know that we've got more shops, it's like Gatta, it's Merlin, and it's some more. But I think that Calzedonia and their quality, it's really the best. The all leather pants, all leggings, and all ties. They're super quality. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon in the next videos. Will be very soon, I hope. Bye bye! Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, it's very important for me. Thank you.